back to my channel Rumi Diaries. So today I'm going to share festive glam look. I already moisturized my skin. So I'm gonna start with the primer. This is 3-in-1 primer. So I'm gonna apply this. This is going to be very chill and help me like this. After that I am going to use a skin tint from Loreal Paris. I'm in the shade 3 to 4 light medium. I am going to mix the Strobe cream with the Tinted serum. Link all this product in the description box. This gives us a flawless skin-like finish and I love that. Now I am going to apply a concealer. This is the Faces Canada Ultimate Pro HD Concealer. बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं यूज़ करूँगी मैं, बहुत होंगी. I just applied wherever I feel to. Some acne marks over there. So I इसी को cover up करने के लिए and थोड़ा सा under my eyes. थोड़ा सा. This exactly match my skin tone. I'm not using any kind of highlighting concealer क्योंकि मैं अंडर आइज हाईलाइटिंग नहीं करूँगी. अराउंड माई माउथ एंड अभी ब्लेंड नहीं करना है. तब तक मैं ऑफ कैमरा आईब्रोज फिल कर लेती हूँ. सो माई आईब्रोज आर डन. Now I'm going to blend my concealer. First I'm going to blend under my eyes. For the blush, don't forget to apply blush on your nose. Now I am going to set face. Just dab using this shade. I just applied. Take any kind of lighter shade, this shade or this shade. Applying on my crease line. I am adding this dark purple. Just close. Brownish kind of shade. Just to for the lips I am going to use Lipliner. Nude lipstick for the center. This is from I'm done. It's the final look. If you like this video, then do like, share with your friends and family as much as you can, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. What do you think about this look? Let me know in the comment section. I will link all the products in the description box, so don't forget to check these out. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye.